Welcome back to our series on gas grills and health. Today we're shifting from the open air of our backyards and venturing into the confines of our kitchen. We'll focus on a topic that may be less discussed but is just as important: indoor gas grills and their impact on air quality. One of the major pollutants associated with indoor gas grilling is carbon monoxide. This colorless, odorless gas can cause a range of health issues such as headaches to dizziness and even in some severe cases, death. Another pollutant is nitrogen dioxide, a gas that can cause respiratory problems and is especially harmful for people with asthma. Lastly, we cannot ignore particulate matter or tiny particles suspended in the air, which can easily be inhaled and lead to a range of health problems. As we've seen, grilling indoors without proper ventilation can lead to an accumulation of various pollutants and chemicals, but don't worry, it's not all doom and gloom. We can still enjoy indoor gas grilling with a set of precautions and steps. The first step is to ensure, of course, that your kitchen is well ventilated. This could be as simple as opening a window or using an exhaust fan. Additionally, using a grill with a smaller surface area and lowering the heat can help you minimize the production of these pollutants. In some homes that have more enclosed spaces, it's important to have air purifiers to ensure that any pollutants that remain in the home after you're done your grilling indoors are removed. Another tip, of course, is to keep your grill maintained and clean. This reduces the amount of smoke that's produced during grilling, consequently lowering the potential for indoor air pollution. The topic of air quality is so important, and one that we've explored in a previous series that you can watch on our YouTube channel. It's an area that deserves much of our attention and understanding. It's not as much discussed in the public media. But air quality is so important because it affects our overall health and our well-being, some of which I have described here. And that's all I have for this week's video. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please let us know by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Until the next week's video, take care.